Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? So today we're going to do unboxing of 4 beautiful paintings from Amazon. Okay, the first one, I just thought it was just adorable, just too cute. This one's called Octopus Bathing Diamond Painting. And it's 40 by 30 centimeters. So let's see if that is the true size. 35. 35 and 24.5 centimeters. Okay, and it's got 28 colors, and this one is $8.98. So let's discuss this cute little octopus. So he's got a sailboat, he's got another brush here brushing his back, and then I love the tiles on the bathroom. And there's lots of bubbles. He's got a ducky here. He's got big eyes and a little mouth. It's just very cute, guys. I have no idea what this is, but it looks like maybe a toy. And then you've got some shampoo bottles back here and some bubbles. See, it's very clear. Look how cute he is. All right, so let's see. These are the drills. Let's take this out. Okay, it comes with 2 pens, with the straightener, with wax tray and a pen grip, and some resealable bags. So it comes with a lot of things. So these are the colors. Just by looking at the painting, you can tell that it's going to have probably these colors back here. It's like a light pink, and then of course lots of blues. Oh yeah, and the green for the bottles. Let's just take these colors out very quickly. Sorry about the noise. It was actually very sunny here in Texas today, but it was windy, a little windy, and it was a little chilly. But it's okay. All right, let's see. What do we have here? So you've got black, some grays. That's like a cocoa. Some very pretty blues. Okay, more grays. This is probably for the background right here with the tiles. And more blues. This is more for the tiles. And blues and grays. Blues and grays, guys. Most of it. And then over here you have, wow, that's pretty. And then the red is probably for the ducky's beak. And then whatever this is, it's red in there. Light gray. A very pretty blue. That's probably for the water. Lots of blues. That's probably for the octopus. And yep, this is like a yellow, like a mustard, and some white. So very pretty, guys. Okay, and like I said, this one's $8.98, and it's called Octopus Bathing Diamond Painting. All right, the next one is, it's absolutely gorgeous. This one's called African American Diamond Painting, and it's a beautiful girl. Just love her hair, love all the colors around her. It has like sort of like, you know, when you throw paint and it sort of mixes. That's what it looks like all around her. Just absolutely gorgeous. All right, this one's a 40 by 30. So let's see the true size. Let's see. This is 34 by 24. Okay, that's the size. Let me bring it up so you can see. And she's wearing these big round glasses that I love. See her glasses? Very clear. Look at all the colors around her. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and this comes with tray, wax, and a pen. And then these are the colors. It comes with these individual bags. All right. Let's see. I'm not going to take them all out because these are not, they're separated, as you can see. But just very pretty colors. Look at this color. You got all kinds of browns. Look how pretty that is. Oranges. Just very pretty colors, guys. Of course, my sage that I love. Blues. And yellow. Got light yellow. That's pretty. Okay. So these bags are actually good, guys. You don't have to put these in containers. You already have the bags, individual bags, which is nice. You don't have to cut them out or anything. All right, now this one was $16.90. Okay, and it's got 24 colors. All right, absolutely gorgeous. Love all the colors. Okay, the next one, this one is called Sunflower Daughter. Okay, this one's absolutely beautiful too. I love it says Stay Wild Sunflower Child. Okay, so she's got red hair. She's wearing like a little yellow outfit to go with the flowers. I love all the flowers and of course all the green around her. And this one is a 40 by 45 centimeter. So this is a bigger than the others. So let's see. Let's see the true size on this, guys. This one is 25 by 40. Okay, let me bring it up. And this one is has 28 colors and it, no, I'm sorry, yeah, 28 colors and it's $11.90. Okay, so let me bring it up so you can see it's very clear too. Okay, look at the flowers. Look at those colors. That pink. Beautiful. All right, so this comes with a tray, a pen, and some wax. Okay, these are the colors in here. These are the bags that I do not like. Okay, so I'm not going to take them out, but as you can see, it's got yellows, it's got pinks, it's got mustards. It's going to have lots of greens because of the background. It's going to have like red oranges, of course, pinks for the flowers, and grays and blacks. All right. And this one, like I mentioned, this one is $11.90. Okay. And the last one, absolutely gorgeous. This one is called Flower, and it's a large DP, diamond painting. Look how beautiful this is, guys. I just love flowers, and it's got a butterfly. Oh my God, and I love all the blues and greens in this. Shh. I just love it, guys. Okay, so this one's supposed to be a 50 by 30. Let's see the true size in centimeters. This is almost 45. And this is almost 25. It's like 24 3/4. Look at this. And this one costs $9.99 and it's got 26 beautiful colors. Look at this, guys. It's very, very clear. Look at the butterfly and the beautiful flowers. I love flowers, guys, and butterflies. Beautiful. And it's very, very clear. Okay, so it comes with tray, resealable bags, wax, a grip for the pen, and a pen, of course. These are the colors, so let's take these out very quickly. Sorry about the noise. I might as well take out the other one now. That way you don't have to hear all this noise twice. Let me get it open. All right, move that away. Okay, let's see. So here you have gray, black, lots of grays. That beautiful green. Look at that. Look at all those greens. Wow. And then here you have white. It's like a beige, mustard color. Green. Wow, look at this, guys. That's beautiful. That's like a blue green. Lots of blues and greens in this one, guys, and I absolutely love it. And lots of grays, most of it. And I guess this is like maybe for the inside of the flower, because I don't see any yellows in here, like this mustard probably. Huh. All right, so, and this one was $9.99. Let's move those colors over here. Okay, so those are all that I have for today. This one is called Flower. Okay, it's absolutely gorgeous. $9.99. You bring the other three up here. This one's Sunflower Daughter. Can you see them? Sunflower Daughter, and this was $11.90. This one's called African American DP, which is absolutely beautiful girl. And this one is $16.90. And this one's called Octopus Bathing, and this one's $8.98. So That's all I have for today. So have a wonderful rest of the day, and thank you again, guys. Love you guys. Bye-bye.